welcome. This is my process. Taking a calendar and making a journal. I say my process because you will see me change my mind and struggle a bit, but I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased how it turned out. So let me bring you along, but it's not really, it's more of a let's spend this time together video. I refer you to lovely Cat Hand. I'll leave a link below for a fantastic tutorial on making a journal and how to bind it. But let me pull you closer so you can see how I created this little journal. Lots of pockets ready to use. I know somewhere I have a fox button. Oh look, Freddie thinks, oh, that's it, settle down, we're going to make a journal, Freddie. Yeah. Right, the button, I think it might be in here. This is the little box my paints come in. I'm going to cover that sometime. Yes, a fox button. Oh, wonderful. I knew I'd seen that. I think I'm going to keep this calendar. It's gorgeous size, actually, 12 inches. I'm folding it over there because I want to keep the fox in. I'm making a sandwich. I've got some bubble mailer. I can link below Cat Hand's video where I got the idea to do this. So I'm going to make a little sandwich of bubble wrap, calendar, so that's that way up. And I've got another calendar page for the inside, but for this I'm going to turn it this way round so it's not upside down when you open up the journal. Because for me, I think it's nice to actually see where this comes from, that it is actually a calendar. I think that makes it fun. Because it's not folded quite in the centre, I've made like a little extension from one of the other pages. Put some little thumbprints in it, because those can be pockets, and I'm going to sew those on. Let's clip them here. When that's folded in half, yes, perfect. Just makes it that little bit bigger, and a pocket. 2 pockets actually. Lovely. Now I'm going to take this over to the machine and machine this together. If you haven't got a machine, don't worry, you can glue yours. If you do use glue and the machine, make sure the glue's dry. I've actually made the little bubble wrap envelope a little bit smaller so my sewing lines go around the outside. Seraphina, I've paper clipped it together. Use whatever size paper clips you've got. That's just a little bit like tacking it when you sew. I take it nice and slowly when I'm stitching, just so it doesn't run away with me, but it does sound relaxing too. Little Freddie, he's all relaxed. We'll go out for a walk in the rain later. that little patch will be covered in wildflowers in the spring and summer. Oh, I can see some blossom up ahead. Beautiful little individual blossom. Oh, I need some elastic. So let's just, elastic collected from chocolate boxes and things like that. I'm going to sew a little bit of elastic in too. It seems a little puckered to me because the bubble wrap is in the centre, so I'm going to bravely cut down the middle and make a different spine. I folded a piece of the calendar into 3 and made a little spine, so I'm going to sew that onto the journal. Let me find some papers in the cabinet. I'm making this journal for somebody that's quite busy and has been wanting to make a fox journal. And I thought, if I make the pages up and make sure, so I've folded this paper up here, make sure there's lots of pockets or paper clips that the person can put their collection of foxes in all the pockets and pages, and then when they're ready, glue a few in. Makes it less overwhelming, maybe. Let me show you how I put the pages. I've sewn them together, or you could glue them. These are 2 pages I put together, and it means they've got a pocket here and a pocket here. So let me show you how I do that. Oh, I found my bone folder the other day. I lost it for about 6 months, and I thought, I just didn't know where it was. I thought, I'm not going to stress, it'll turn up, it'll be inside a journal. And I was doing this, and I thought, I wonder if I looked in the actual place it's meant to be. Why haven't I thought of that? Anyway, I've got it now. You can just make the pages the right size, put some washi tape down the middle to fold them over. I'm just experimenting with this way. Let me get those paper clips back. Yeah, and so here's the size. I'll put that page there, and I'm going to fold this vintage Queen Elizabeth II paper. That's Cunard, that's a cruise ship. Isn't that amazing? So I pop that there like that, and I pop it over there. You can tack it down with a little bit of unsticky washi or paper clip. Paper clip it together. Let me show you how that comes out. So then it could be folded in half like that. And yeah, so you'll have a pocket here. And when you fold it over on this page, you'll have a pocket there. So what I'm going to do is pop a thumb hole in here. I've got you can draw around something. I've got my hole punch. Oh, it's thin paper, because I do enjoy cutting out circles, punching out circles. I love using them. So that's that one. And and do a thumb hole in this side. You'll see the thicker paper punches out much easier. It just donates that it's a pocket. Well, as my dad would say, it must be the way I'm holding my mouth today. It didn't punch out that well. There we are. And I save these as well. Lovely. Now, you can then glue these down. Well, I'm going to take mine over to the machine and machine stitch round it like I did with this one. I just stitched across the top to make this one. It's got a pocket here and a pocket here. Oh yes, I like it with the line down the middle. Brilliant. Pocket, page, page, pocket, pocket. Thank you, Serafina. I'm not going to attempt a tutorial on how to bind it. This is how I bound it in the end. Just almost like a running stitch. A running stitch down the centre. I put 2 signatures in though, which is unlike me. But do go to Kat's for Kat's video so you can see how she binds hers. And I sewed a little button underneath to leave room for the elastic to come through. And I also reinforced the elastic as well with some extra sewing. Oh, it's lovely. I'm making a fox journal actually in these 2 little ones, just by chance really. I've got my envelope journal that I made from Harmony's envelope and this little notebook from Caron, and I just seem to be collecting little fox stickers or foxes and rabbit stickers. Oh, and also there's little chickens and just little creatures really. Thank you for joining me. For joining us. I do appreciate it. Got my cup of tea, and for a snack I've got like a little satsuma orange there. Nice healthy snack. What have you been up to, Flo? Oh, lovely page. Lots going on there. Can I have a closer look? Oh, Flo, I love that. And a sticker. That sticker was from Beth. You'll always be my bestie. Oh, Flo, that was kind of Beth to send you a sticker. Lovely. Oh, I see you're still doing the scavenger hunt book as well, Flo. And Jennifer, I must say, you look gorgeous too. Shall we light a candle? Let's just take this moment of quiet to just reflect. Time for ourselves and a time for others too. Oh, I had an ATC sent from Kat. It's so lovely. She says so much fun. And isn't it is wonderful to have so much fun when we do our art. So many layers here. Painted paper and butterflies and fabric and stitches and shines. It's so lovely. Thank you, Kat. I'm going to pop it up here. It's inspiration for the week and a reminder, gentle reminder to ourselves to have fun with our art. There's a dear little rabbit here. It says delight from Kat as well. So I think that will go beautifully in my little rabbit, fox, chicken journals. Thank you, Kat. Oh, lovely. Well, I better put the phone down. Take good care of yourselves, everyone. Let's see you walk in the rain, Fred. There you go. Nice. Hello, little Robin. Nice to see you. Good morning. Ah, you're very tame. That's through here are the allotments that we visited in the summer. Oh, where are you? Still there? I know, you're gorgeous. Here's a better view. The gardens are shut up for the winter really, aren't they? You can see a little bit of rhubarb popping through there. But we'll go and visit again in the summer or autumn. I was
Did
not.
you record it?
I didn't even record
We
it.
didn't record any of it.
No.
Oh wow.
I've got it that I'm not turning the camera on. So this is the New Zealand jigsaw. Oh,
Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces.
Nice.
American chocolate.
Sam likes them.
I do.
They
Yeah.
are. Oh, they
Yeah.
love them. Thank you, Nikki. And custard creams in them. So this is a gorgeous jigsaw. There's Hobbiton.
Are you recording?
It's their photographs. I'm recording it this time. Oh, what am I like? It's going to be great. It's going to be easier than the Freddie one. I've got another present.
Oh yeah, there's
Cool.
only three. Something good.
Oh, more Reese's Pieces.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like America meets Britain. Wonderful.
And Ben's got something.